lots of color. Elephant, car, bike, doll, orange biscuit, milk biscuit, fish, lots of fries. Let's start. A. A for apple. A. A for apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. B. B for ball. Ball means gained. C. C for cow. C. C for cow. D. That's right here. D. D for dog. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F. F for fish. G. G. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H. H for hat. Hat means topi. H. H for hat. Hat means topi. I. I for ice cream. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. J. J for jug. K. K for king. K. K for king. L. L for lion. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N. N for nest. N. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O. O for orange. O. O for orange. Orange means santra. P. P for parrot. P. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Rani. Q. Q for queen. Let's subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you. A. A for apple. B. B for boy. C. C for car. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for gun. H. H for hen. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for ship. T. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Thank you.